Hello everyone, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, I'm showing you how to use Gemini Canvas to make a poster. So just open up your workspace, which is going to be your homepage of course, and with the prompt field inside. And start with a prompt like, so something like this, right? But before you tap on send, just go to tools and choose canvas. If you don't choose this, then you will get something else. So you're looking to create canvas. And then choose the model. I'm just going to choose fast and then just press on send. Right, and Gemini will automatically open a side panel, as you can see on the right, with a workspace setting up a vertical 24 by 36 artboard. Also, if you want, you can use the Nano Banana 2 engine integration. Alright, as you can see, here's our awesome poster. Looks pretty nice, I like it. Alright, and don't forget guys, you can perform your changes at any time. So I will just go ahead and modify my canvas like this, alright, and then just press send. And also you can click on the image and say another prompt. Alright, this is it. As you can see now, the changes are made. And also, if you wish, you can also interact with it. So I will just type in this prompt to move the subject to the left and add the overlay to the right. There you go, and then send again. And then also you can upscale and export. So once the layout is locked, you can click upscale for print if you want. So that's it. High-end design is now as fast as your thoughts. By letting Gemini Canvas handle the layouts and Nano Banana handle the fidelity, you've just bypassed a 4-hour design cycle. Enjoy your poster guys, enjoy the guide, and thank you for watching.